Oh, sis, let me ask you this. Have you ever checked your account and it feel like it's just playing with you? You like, okay, how I got 289 in checking, zero in savings, and still don't get everything I want and desire? What is missing? Or have this ever happened to you? Somebody approach you about your money problems and they suggest you should try investing. Baby, I need to invest in these groceries first so I can think about some stocks and markets, okay? And if that's you, it's okay. Perfectly all right. Fret not. Welcome home. Because this one is for you, ladies. This one is for you. The ones who need the money to move right now. And you don't have time for the fluff or the maybe prospect ideas. And you don't got $997 to $1,500 to purchase a course. Come on in. Let's go. Stacks from scratch. Here we go. Welcome, 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 ladies. Welcome back to the channel, Stacks from Scratch. It is me, your host, your girl, your favorite homegirl on this whole internet, Mrs. Latoya Slater. And that's right, you already know, if you've been here before, you can just call me Toya. What's up, homegirls? Yes, I do remember those times. I know what it's like to be down to fumes, ordering the free trials, sticking with the free trials, you know. But guess what? It's never too late to turn that around by offering what you already have, your mind, your creativity, and especially if you're holding on to a cell phone. Guess what? In this video, I'm going to share 3 real ways, 3 creative ways that you're going to start making money online today with zero upfront. That's right, I can repeat that. I said zero upfront money. Plus, if you stick to the end, I'm giving 3 selling hacks that's going to make you so irresistible. You cannot lose with this blueprint. So grab your notebook, grab your tea or what have you, and sit on down for a slice of this good homemade money making tactics, okay? That's going to make sales for you, make money for you, and make sense to you without you having to start with sacrificing your arm and your leg, okay? All right. So, of course, I want to shout out my Giddy Girl gang. I'm so happy to have you here. And don't forget, returning viewers, you are just as important to me as the new viewers. I cannot do this without either one of you. So I appreciate how we can all get it done together. Now, what I'm going to give you today is going to vamp up your salesmanship. It's going to vamp up your likability, and it's going to vamp up your creativity. So if you don't decide to follow one of these personal touches, then you could take one and maybe, you know, tweak it a little bit, twerk it a little bit, and make it fit just for you. But this is for women who are 40 and up, creative, fast action, looking for this income, who don't want to put no money down to get started, and sitting at home, not trying to do no affiliate sales, not trying to hear no more budgeting and investing talk. This is for you, okay? So let's get right into it. Now, I do know that some of us get down bad. We have no help. We have no sales. We have no idea where to start. But this is your moment. Okay? Stop scrolling. Just stop right here. Because, yes, I have tried to save money. I have tried to save my way to wealth. I have tried to budget my way to wealth. And it just didn't cut it. But everything changed when I started thinking outside the box. And that's what I did. So go ahead, get you some notes, because what I'm finna give you is soft life approved. Okay? That's why I say women 40 and up, because we're not looking for the hustle. We're looking for the softer hustles. And then I'm going to drop these 3 selling hacks that's going to make your content pop. You're going to get it popping. It's going to help you create sellable offers, attractive offers, that's going to sell like bottled water at African April. So let's get right into it. My idea number 1 for you. Start a social media page. We are making money now on social media. And when I say social media, I'm going to suggest Facebook and Instagram. These are two easy platforms to get monetized and start making money so fast your head will spin. And I'm not just talking about gas and grocery money. So here's my idea. Start up a page, if you don't already have one, that you could turn into a food guide or a travel page, or just something for positive vibes. People are picking up on these pages, joining these groups really fast, and then you send out. All you gotta do is post. That's all you gotta do. Pick your passion, turn it into content. If it's food, start taking pictures of your plates every day when you're getting ready to eat. Whether you're eating out, start taking pictures of bags of chips or candy bars at the grocery store or at the corner store. People are liking and discussing these types of photos. That's why it don't have to be video footage. It could just be a simple photo that you took from a food idea. That you can say, my page is a food idea for picky eaters, picky kids. Moms, join this channel to find the best foods for your picky eater. Or you could do a traveling page. I suggest this because a lot of people are always into travel online. They like to post their pictures of where they've been and what they're going to do next. Or you could start a page, I suggest, maybe about the soft life. Everybody's talking about that right now. I think that's a hot topic to jump on. Soft life for grown women. And this is why this will work. Because Meta's bonus program, which is a part of Facebook and Instagram right now, they are paying you for reels and for posts that perform. You don't have to have a product. You just have to post about this consistently. You can hit a niche that's just for you. And here's your selling hacks for your social media page. Number one, you're going to use 3-word hooks on social media. I just want to throw it out there. Yes, I have been making money on social media. So this is not something I'm just suggesting, okay? This is more than just a suggestion. This is a example. I can say I've had success doing this. So Meta's going to pay you for reels that perform, for posts that perform, for people that like how many views you get. So you don't need any kind of certain product or certain service to offer. Just pick something that you like and that you can post about on a regular. You also going to sell them easily when you use the 3-word hack. 3-word hacks. 3-word captions on your photos and your videos on Facebook or Instagram will get you lots of views. Easy mom meals. Quick, easy meals. Peaceful morning routines. Money making rituals. Come on, I know you feel me. It's aesthetic, it's relatable, and shareable. So, idea number 2. You can decide to be the go-to travel booker for busy people. And my mother suggested this to me years ago. I never jumped on it, but I have planned it out to a T, and it will work. It will work because there are several different types of people looking for this kind of service. And this is what you're going to do. You're going to create a quick graphic in Canva or maybe even Word, Microsoft. So I'll say, let me book your next trip for free. I'm offering this service for free. Okay, they're going to pay for their own accommodations and everything, of course, but you're going to offer to do this for free the first time because, check it out, you're going to find them the best deals sitting at home on your computer. Find their hotels, find their flights, find their experience, package it up and say, this is what's out here for this next 3 days. Jump on this vacation, jump on this travel booking. You can use Google Flights, Hopper, Expedia. Everybody know about that. These are all free sites, free platforms that you can use to make this a deliverable package. You're going to take the information that you got, put it together on a PDF. You can use Canva for that. Make your client feel like this is all taken care of. And here's a bonus tip. You can post this same flyer in different groups. You can be selective about your clients. Say, here's the deal for teachers. I know you off on spring break. Here's the best package I put together for you. Or you could say, this is for professionals, corporate professionals. These, just find the type of people who love convenience. And number two, here's a good selling hack for you too. For number two, this is what you're going to say after you have booked a travel plan for a client. I just helped a busy mom save $400 on travel. Let me help you next, okay? Told you to take some notes. I know it. I told you. Get your pad out, because we already on number 3. And this is my suggestion. Number 3, you can sell Chat GPT powered offers to local businesses. Oh, it's exactly what I said. You're going to sell offers to businesses. So if I'm the business owner, you would come to me and say, I have a plan where I can create a 3-tier offer package for you to sell to your clients. Would you like to see a snippet of it? Because business owners are very busy people. That's why I have taken time to narrow down to be doing nothing else right now but this one thing. And the business owners like to focus real intently on one thing if they have a project or production coming up. So you can offer this to someone who's overwhelmed, they need help online, and guess what? ChatGPT is going to do all the work for you. That's the secret sauce, and you the chef, baby. So get in there and whip it up. Now here are 3 offers you could create today for local business. You could create an Instagram caption service. This, if I was you, I would offer to hairstylists, nail techs, lash techs. Okay, you can offer them a weekly caption for their pages, $15 to $25 a week. Come on. And if you get 4 clients doing that, that's $100 a week. Then there you go. You can offer a bio or a page revamp. Say, let me vamp up your bio on your social media platforms. And then you're going to use chat again. Chat is going to lay out the perfect spicy bio for their Instagram or Facebook page. You can either offer to boost up and revamp a business's website, okay? Still using chat. Also, for number 3, I would suggest you can offer this idea to restaurant owners, daycare providers, people who need menus or lots of flyers. And you can write product descriptions or event flyers using prompts from Canva. All right. And these are 3 easy ways, 3 things you can do to create some money right now online for free. Didn't I tell you? All right. All you need is access to the internet. If you got some Wi-Fi and even a phone, you can create with ChatGPT and Canva right there from your phone. And then once you get your package together, your offer together, pick one of these 3 that you're going to offer and DM 5 businesses. Go into the inboxes and just say, hey, I got something I would love to offer you because I see your business appreciates value. Ooh, ain't that a good way to put it? All right. And here's a pro bonus for you. I want you to use some magic words to put this out there, because when I tell you that you're going to be on here making money faster than you can see it, you will be able to open doors that you just couldn't open in the beginning, that you just couldn't open before. But when you start using your word as your wand, you're going to see some magic, okay? So you're going to use phrases like, listen, I specialize in content that makes you more visible. Hey, I specialize in content that saves you time. When you start showing them what you're offering for them up front, they will perk up with the money and cough up the money. Okay, so there you go, guys. Now listen, nobody's coming to rescue you. Nobody's coming to save your wallet. Nobody, but you can rebuild from right here, right now, where you are. You got the tools. You got good taste in what you're gonna do. You have self-respect and dignity about what you're doing now at this big old age, and you got the time. So it's not a question about is the money out there, because it is. The money is just waiting for you to move, come to it, come toward it. The money wants you. So drop in the comment which idea you're gonna start with. Or have you ever done any type of work like this in the past? I want to know. So now that you know how to start for free, now that you know how to make some money online right now, today, from where you are, and it's free, it costs you nothing. It's time for you to learn how to get paid just to be you. And you're going to do that when you click on the next video. Get paid to be you. Why personality is the new currency. Your next paycheck could be just one click away. I will see you over there in the next video. Take off with the Get a Girl game. Subscribe today.